Came here tonight, knew I would see you, but I wasn't quite ready for it, no. These feelings I can't ignore. The two of us are over, but I'm not sure if I'm over you. Maybe I made a mistake when I upped and walked away. Now I wish I had one more chance to tell you, baby, I know better. Cause now I see that you are the girl, and I wish I had one more chance to show you how much I still love you. Too bad love is over, yes, I wish I had one more night to talk late on the phone. One more smiley face, like the